Law 6 of the 48 Laws of Power is court attention at all costs. The lesson is simple. If people do not notice you, they cannot support you, respect you, follow you, hire you, date you, or remember you. In life, being invisible can cost you opportunities. This law does not mean you have to act desperate, fake, or loud just to get attention. The modern meaning is deeper than that. It means understanding how presence works. It means learning how to stand out with confidence, style, discipline, and purpose. People are drawn to what captures their eye. In your personal life, attention starts with how you carry yourself. The way you walk into a room, the way you dress, the way you speak, and the way you treat people all create an impression. You do not have to be the loudest person in the room, but you should never be forgettable. A powerful presence makes people remember you. That could be your confidence, your calm energy, your style, your intelligence, or the way you made people feel. When you know who you are, people can sense it before you even say much. In business, attention is even more important. You can have talent, skill, and good ideas, but if nobody knows what you do, your growth will be limited. A business needs visibility. A brand needs recognition. A creator needs an audience. A professional needs people to remember their value. That is why your image, message, content, and consistency matter. If you are building a brand, do not hide behind fear. Show your work, share your message, present yourself clearly. Make people understand what you bring to the table. Attention creates opportunity, but the attention has to be connected to value. If people notice you for drama, confusion, or messy behavior, that attention can hurt you. But if they notice you for confidence, quality, creativity, and consistency, that attention can build power. People lose power in relationships because they become too available, too predictable, or too focused on chasing approval. Law 6 reminds you to keep a sense of presence. Establish your own life, have your own goals, keep developing yourself. When you respect yourself, people feel that energy. In the 48 Laws of Power, Robert Greene uses the example of P.T. Barnum. Barnum understood that people are attracted to mystery, spectacle, and bold presentation. He knew that being talked about kept him relevant. He made people curious, and that curiosity gave him power. That is the lesson. People pay attention to what feels different. So in your personal life, become someone people remember for the right reasons. In business, make your brand impossible to ignore. In relationships, do not disappear trying to please someone else. The modern takeaway is this: visibility matters, but image without substance will not last. Do not chase empty attention. Build attention around who you really are, what you offer, and how you move. Be polished, be intentional, be memorable. Because in a world full of noise, the people who know how to capture attention are the ones who create influence. Law 6, court attention at all costs. Be seen, be remembered, but most importantly, make sure the attention you attract builds your power, not your problems.